Hello student, welcome once again in our standard 7 lesson number 12 algebraic expressions. Here standard 7 mathematics chapter number 12 algebraic expressions. We already completed our first introduction sessions and now this is the second introduction sessions, and afterwards we can start the solution of exercises of lesson number 12 standard 7 mathematics. Lesson name is algebraic expressions. I hope so you all are ready with your stationaries, and as our traditions we can do a silent prayer and then after a small physical exercise. So mental and physical exercise fit you to understand the all things regarding the maths or any subject. Isn't it? So take the position for a while. Good. Okay, let's we begin with our stationery items. All are ready with you. We can check out our today's sessions algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression is nothing whatever we studied in previous sessions 12.1 to 12.5, monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now here addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. How to do? We are knowing about the like terms and unlike terms, which are having the same variable is called the like terms, and those who are having the different variables are called the unlike terms. Is it better? Yes. Sarita has some marbles, Amina has 10 more. Appu says that he has 3 more marbles than the number of marbles Sarita and Amina together have. How do you get the number of marbles the Appu has? Yes, magic. Suppose Sarita has X marble, so Amina has X plus 10. Yes, and what about the Appu? Yes, Appu has X plus 10 plus 3 because 3 more numbers are given. So altogether you can say 1 by 1 expressions. These are called the expression. Look at the second one. Ramu's father present age is 3 years. 3 times Ramu's age. Ramu's father's present age is 3 times Ramu's age. So suppose Ramu's age is y years, so his father is 3y multiplied by 3 age. Now Ramu's grandfather age is 13 years more than the sum of Ramu's age and sorry थोड़ा आगे चला गया था मैं, but I can explain it, no problem. Okay, once again, years more than the sum of Ramu's age and Ramu's father age, दोनों को प्लस करने का है, उससे भी ज्यादा है 13 हो गया है, तो y plus 3y plus 13. Okay, now how do you find Ramu's grandfather's age? Since Ramu's age is not given, take it to be a y years, then his father's age is 3y years. Is it or not? To find Ramu's grandfather's age, we have to take the sum of Ramu's age y and his father age is 3y, and to the sum it's adding 13 more. Isn't it? So y, 3y and 3. What the answer? Ramu's age is y years, Ramu's father RF we can write 3y, and Ramu's grandfather GF, grandfather is y plus 3y plus 13. Why this one? Because Ramu's age and his father age together and plus 13 more years. This is the Ramu's grandfather age. Can you understand? R for Ramu, RF means Ramu's father, RGF means Ramu's grandfather. Isn't it clear? Now you can see once again, one by one, all the topics. In a garden, roses and marigolds are planted in square plots. The length of the square plot in which marigolds are planted is 3 meters greater than the length of the square plot in which roses are planted. How much bigger in area is the marigold plot than the rose plot? Oh, I see. So now you can get algebraic expressions are also involved our day-to-day life problems or day-to-day practicals. Yes, let us take L meters to be the length of the side of the rose plot. The length of the side of the marigold plot is L plus 3 meters because 3 more are there. The respective areas will be L square or L plus 3 square. The difference between this one L square plus 3 square and L square will be decided how much bigger in area marigold is. 3 3s are 9 times. In all the 3 situations, we had to carry out addition or subtraction of algebraic expressions. There are a number of real life problems in which we need to use expressions and do arithmetic operations of them. Let's check it. Adding and subtracting like terms. The simplest expressions are monomials. They consist only one term. To begin with, we shall have to do add or subtract a term or a monomial. 3x and 4x. 3x means 4x. X is common, or you can say 3 into x plus 4 into x. X will be the common using the distributive law. 3 plus 7, 4 will give you a 7. So 7x is the answer. Since variables are number, we can use distributive law for them. So 3x plus 4 is equal to 7x. Directly you can say, no need to take out the x common or plus plus. Same way, 8xy, 4xy and 2xy. No problem beta. 8 plus 4 plus 2 will give us a 14. So 14xy is the answer. Distributive laws of the numbers and variables, take out common. Directly you can say x is the common and 3 plus 4 7. Yes, here xy. Variables are there. Before that, coefficient number. Use the word coefficient number are 8, 4 and 2. Or simple way you can say we have to add up only coefficients and write one time the variable. Baat khatam. Easy? Correct. So 14xy is the answer for monomials. Now let us understand subtract a 4n from 7n. So many students are doing 4 minus 7. No need to say like that. Whenever you have found these types of sum, 4n from 7n. The 7n में से 4n को minus करना बेटा. 7n minus 4n. So n will be the common. 7 minus 4 will give you a 3. So answer is 3n. But directly also you can say 7n minus 4n which gives you a 3n. Okay. Second one also example with you. 5ab and 11ab. 11ab में से 5 गया बेटा कितना बचा? 6ab. So like terms are there which is the numerical coefficient we can subtract or add according to the question. Coefficient equal to the difference between the numerical coefficient of the two like terms. Not. Unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted the way like terms are added or subtracted. We have already seen example of this. When 5 is added to x, we write the result x plus 5. Observe other terms like that also. Adding and subtracting general algebraic expressions. My dear student, here add 3x plus 11 and 7x minus 5. First of all, we can check out the sums of this all one, 3x plus 11 plus 7x minus 5. Now, we know that the terms 3x and 7x are like terms and so also are 11 and minus 5. So, 3x plus 7x which gives us a 10x and 11 plus minus 5 will give us a 6 because one number is positive, one number is negative will give us a subtraction. We can therefore simplify the sum is, yes, 3x plus 11 minus plus 7x minus 5 will give you a 10x plus 6. Yes, rearranging terms. X के साथ x को ले लिया, number के साथ number को ले लिया. Add 3x plus 11 plus 8z and 7x minus 5. just add it both the numbers. Yes, and then after add x with x, 7 plus 3, that gives 10. Yes, my dear student, 10x, and then after plus 6. Once again the same thing is here for 11 wala, but numbers it is a same one. Okay, correct. Look at here, 10x plus 6 plus 8z. Subtract a minus b from 3a minus b plus 4. Once again I want to say, whenever you find the from, you have to write that number first, 3a minus b plus 4, and again you have to say minus a minus b. In bracket I written a minus b. It is in red color I am showing you, or you can make the two brackets. Whenever you are opening the bracket, you can say a into minus 1 minus a minus b into minus 1, which gives a plus b. So minus a plus b. 3a minus b plus 4 minus a plus b. Is it? Yes. Same way here, you can get it here in box b. Minus 5 and minus 3 plus 3 will be the answers. Is it? Okay. Observe how to take a minus b in the brackets and took it. Yes, a is the common, 3 minus 1 plus 1, b plus 4. So 1 minus 1, 0, we are not taking anything. 2a, 3 में से गया कितना बचा बेटा? 2. Directly you can say plus 4. So b into 0, that gives us a 0. No need to write it again. Okay, now 2a plus 4 is the final answer. Without subtracting, you can check out. Look at the example number 4. Collect like terms and simplify the expressions. 12m square minus 9m plus 5m minus 4m minus 7m plus 10. Rearranging them to the like terms wise. Yes, my dear student, 12m square minus 4m square plus 5m minus 9m minus 7m plus 10. प्लस माइनस को आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं, बेटा m स्क्वायर वाला m स्क्वायर के साथ, m वाला m के साथ, और लास्ट में नंबर 12 में से 4 गया बेटा 8 बचेगा. 5 minus 9 minus 7, so 5 में से 9 गया तो minus 4 and minus 7, minus 11 will be there, and last plus 10. So 8m square minus 11m plus 10 is the final answer. Check out for addition and subtraction for this one, m minus n and m plus n. Both the things you have to try it. That is a homework. Beta, you have to do the homework regular and submit it in our group also. This is the try this of 2 questions I am giving to you for addition and subtractions of these terms, m minus n, m plus n, and second one is mn plus 5 minus 2, and second one mn plus 3. Okay, very good students. Let's we check out the example number 5. Subtract 24ab minus 10b minus 18a from 30ab plus 12b plus 14a. My dear student, whatever the numbers we are writing, when you found the from, next number you write first, 30ab plus 12b plus 14a, minus whatever the first number is there or first expression is given, we can write it 24ab minus 10b minus 18a. Is it? Correct. Now subtract it one by one. Minus 24ab minus plus 10b and minus plus once again 18a. Okay, now check out like terms with like term, unlike term with unlike terms. 30 में से 24 माइनस हुआ बेटा 6 बचा, 12 में से 10 ऐड हुआ तो 22 बन गया, और लास्ट में आ गया बेटा a वाला 14 and 18 will give us a 32. Or sometimes you may be found these types of things whenever you are having a subtraction as our number wise. Yes, you can do it, and subtract sign, which means one sign is plus, one sign is negative, we can add it or subtract it. Isn't it? Whenever it is said to subtract, you can change the sign of each and every terms of the second numbers. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student, 24ab is the plus, make it is a minus, minus से उसको plus कर दो, plus से उसको minus कर दो. Let's check for these types of things here. From the sum of 2y square plus 3yz minus y square minus yz minus z square and yz plus 2z square, subtract the sum of this one. सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, we first add 2y square plus 3yz minus y square minus yz minus z square and yz plus 2z square. x के साथ x, y के साथ y, isn't it? yz के साथ yz, z के साथ only z. By putting under, जिसके साथ है उसके साथ में अंडर लगा दो, बाकी कोई बचा है तो उसके अंदर जीरो लगा दो बेटा. इधर कुछ नहीं है तो जीरो, इधर भी जीरो आएगा बेटा, बराबर है? Correct. Now add it, this one. One is a minus and one is the plus. This is the minus, this is the plus. 2z square plus and minus z square, which gives me z square plus. Okay. 3yz minus yz plus yz. So yz गया बेटा, कौन बचा? Plus 3yz. 2x square y, 2x square, 2y square and minus y square. Only y square will left. Okay. Now then we can add 3y square minus z square and y square plus yz plus z square. इसके अंदर भी कुछ नहीं है तो बेटा इधर जीरो लगा दो, कुछ नहीं है तो उसके अंदर भी जीरो लगा दो, जिसके अंदर है जो वो चीज लगाने का है. Subtract it, adding it is given, that means add 1 by 1. Okay, yes. Now we subtract 2 from the sum of 1. ये जो आंसर मिला बेटा हमको, उसमें से ये को subtract कर देने का है. Clear? Correct. Now y square plus 3yz plus z square minus 2y square minus yz, because whenever subtraction is there we have to put the change the sign of the number. This is a 3y square, that's a positive sign, we can make it the negative. Yz, it is also negative now, and then after z square, yes, 3yz minus yz, which gives you a 2yz. Correct. And y square minus 2y square will give you a minus y square, because minus 2y square is bigger than y square. Big number having the minus sign, so answer will come as a minus. Okay, very good student. Now look at here 12.7. Finding the value of an expression. My dear student, you have to go through it and find out which are the correct examples. Isn't it? Yes, very good student. Finding the value of expression is nothing. We know that the value of an algebraic expression depends on the value of the variable forming the expressions. There are a number of situations in which we need to find the value of an expression, such as when we wish to check whether a particular value of a variable satisfies or not. Example number 7 are on your screen. Find the value of the following expressions for x is equal to 2, x plus 4, 4x minus 3, 19 minus 5x square and 100 minus 10x cube. Solution for first putting x is equal to 2 in first example, x plus 4. Where you find the x, you have to just add 2. So 2 plus 4, which gives you a 6. This is the value. It's an easy topic and you will get a maximum marks of this lesson. In 4x minus 3 we can get 4, x की जगह पे 2 लगा दो बेटा, 4 to 8 plus 3, yes, very good students, or minus it. Once again you can say 4x minus 3, so 4 into 8, 8 minus 3, that's 5. Next one, third one, in 19 minus 5x square, so 19 it is, and 2 in place of x we can put 2, 5 into 2 square, 2 to the 4 and 4 5 is 20. So 19 minus 20. Student, once again I want to show 19 minus 20. At first position you don't know about this answer, but forget about this. Is plus 19 and minus 20. So you can do 20 minus 19. Its answer is 1, isn't it? But now check which number is bigger, 19 or 20? Yes, 20, and 20 is which sign? Minus sign. That's why answer is coming a minus 1. Isn't it? Correct. Third one, but fourth one, 100 minus 10x cube. 100 as it is. In place of x we can write 2, 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8. So 100 minus 10 into 8, 80 will be the answer for that one. So 100 minus 20, 80, sorry, 100 minus 80 will gives you a 20. Easy? Anyone has doubt regarding this one? No. So it is clearly written 100 minus 80 will gives you a 20. Example number 8. Find the value of the following expressions when n is equal to minus 2. So 5n minus 2. n जगह के n की जगह पे अपने minus 2 लगाने का बेटा. So 5 into minus 2 minus 2, which gives you a minus 10 minus 2. Both are the negative number. We can add up. Yes, it's a minus 12. 5n square plus 5n minus 2. n है वहाँ पे आपको क्या लगा देने के minus 2. Is it? So 5 into minus 2 square. Yes, correct beta. And then after plus 5 into minus 2 and minus 2 as it is. So 5n square, that is a 5 5 is a, sorry, 4 2 2 is a 4. 4 is a plus. So 5 into 4 20. Correct. Combining both the one, we can write 20 minus 12. Yes, minus 12 is there 2. Yes or no? Yes. And minus 2 once again will give you a 10 plus 2 12. So 20 minus 12, final answer is a 8. Second one also, n is equal to 2, we can put it. 5n square plus 5n minus 2 will give you a 8. Yes, combining 8 minus 8, which gives you a 0 value. For that one, we can find the 0 value. Final value will be 0. Minus 8 plus 8. Both will be the 0. Example number 9. Find the value of the following expressions for a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. a plus b, 7a minus 4b, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a cube minus b cube. Correct? Subtracting a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. Yes, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Yes, 2 into 3, 4 into 2, 21 minus 8 will give you a 13. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Just add the value of a and b. Final answer is 25. Last one is the question, a cube minus b cube. Very simple way it is given. Okay, 12.8. Using algebraic expressions, formulas and rules, which are very useful for our perimeter, areas, volumes. We already studied these things about perimeter. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3 into the length of the sides. If we denote the length of the side of an equilateral triangle is L, then the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 3L. 3 and L are the algebraic expression. It's a monomial, binomial or trinomial? Yes beta, will you tell me? Correct, it's a monomial. Similarly, for the square, 4 into side, that is a 4L. Perimeter of a regular pentagon, 5L, 5 into L, 5 sides of a pentagon having, or equilateral, we can discuss about the regular or equilateral. Area formulas, if we denote the length of a square by L, then the area of the square is equal to L into L, which gives you a L square. L into L, that's a L square. L into L, which gives you a L square, isn't it? Or L into B will give you a LB, isn't it? Correct. Same way for triangle. Similarly, if B stands for the base and H is the height of a triangle, then we can say B into H divided by 2, or we can say 1 by 2 BH, base into height. Once a formula that the algebraic expression for a given quantity is known, the value of the quantity can be captured as required. For example, for a square of length 3 centimeters. Yes, my dear students, root for a number pattern. If a number pattern, natural number is denoted by n, its successor is n plus 1. We can check this for any natural number. For example, n is equal to 10. That's the next number is n plus 1. It's give a 11. It's a algebraic expression. Correct. If a natural number is denoted by n, 2n is an even number and 2n plus 1 an odd number. Let us check this one. 15. 2n is equal to 2 into n, that means 2 into 15, 30 is indeed an even number, and 2n plus 1, that means a 15 into 2 30, 30 plus 1 31, as indeed the and odd numbers. Isn't it? So 2n and 2n plus 1. Any number you can check out for this one. दुनिया का कोई भी number ले लो बेटा. Try this one. Make similar pattern with the basic figure as shown. P. How many sticks are needed? Matchsticks 5. H के लिए कितनी चाहिए? ले लिया आपने. बहुत interesting question था. That's why I'm not taking time to explain this one. Some more number pattern 3, 6, 9, 12 dot 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 3n. What the table you can found here? 3's table. So 3 into n. Anytime you can say what the fifth term? Yes, 15. 3 into 5, 15. Correct. What the 10th term? 3 into 10, 30. 100 term? 3 into 100, 300s. So these are the examples related with your SSC 10th standards. Examples are there. Pattern in geometry. It's also algebraic expressions. Which pattern are having here? Yes, first one A B C D, second one A B C D E, A B C D E F. From one vertex of the hexagon is a 3. एक का कितना वर्टेक्स है बेटा? 3. दूसरे का 4, पांचवे का 5. Is it? Vertex okay 1. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? The number of diagonals we can draw from one vertex of a polygon of n side is n minus 3. Check if for a heptagon means 7 sides and octagon means 8 sides. By drawing figures, what is the number for a triangle 3 sides? Observe that the diagonals drawn from any one vertex divides the polygon in as many non-overlapping triangles as the number of diagonals that can be drawn from the vertex plus 1. n minus 3 कितना आपके पास साइड है उसके हिसाब से करेंगे. What have we discussed? These are the most important part of the lesson. I already said number of times. You should have to read out one by one all the points. First point is algebraic expressions are formed from variables and constants. We use the operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Expressions are made up of terms and that are added or subtracted. Or terms of product are 4xy means 4 into x into y. Is it clear? That are called the algebraic factors. Next one, fourth point. The coefficient is the numerical factor in the term. Sometimes any factor is this way. Next one is the polynomials, monomial, binomial and trinomial. Sixth point. Terms which have the same algebraic forms are called the like term, which are having the different factors, which are called the unlike terms. 7. The sum or difference of two like terms is a like term with coefficient equal to the sum or difference of the coefficient of the two like terms. Thus, we can say 8 minus 3xy, that is the 5xy. When we add the algebraic expression, the like terms are added as given factors. Yes. Last but not least, find the value of the expressions. Rules and formulas for perimeter and areas. Or some pattern also we made it. 11, 21, 31, 41. What the pattern is that? 10n plus 1. 10x plus 1. Fourth term क्या आएगी, fifth term क्या आएगी, any terms you can say will you find out with the help of this algebraic expressions. So here we end up our today's sessions with explanations or introductions, 12 lessons, standard 7 mathematics, algebraic expressions. In last sessions we completed part 1, 12.1 to 12.5, and here we end up our introduction sessions of one lesson, 12 algebraic expressions. What are the examples I explained here? You can go through it or you can write the examples in your fair book or rough note with question and answer. Try to understand. Automatically you can solve exercise questions without seeing or copying. So once again I remind you, be careful regarding introduction sessions or revision sessions. Okay my dear student, take care, be safe. Till then, bye bye, thank you.